folks, it's Clinton Moss here with Gunnar Energy Services, and I'm joined with my buddy David Erdos from Erdos Miller, and I'm more excited than usual today because we've got a groundbreaking breakthrough technology to discuss. So normally, folks, when we're doing magnetic ranging, historically that's been completed by running a wireline tool into open holes. So imagine you drill a section, withdraw the BHA, go back in with a wire line, do some active magnetic ranging, withdraw the wire line, and repeat. So it's been our mission, folks, for several years now to cut the cord. It's kind of like going from a landline to the freedom of a cell phone. We want to be able to do this magnetic ranging not in a wire line like an old school kind of single shot or things like that, but we want to kind of progress it in the same way that traditional surveying methods went to MWD. We want ranging to be occurring not when the wireline is deployed, but as you're drilling ahead. So folks, that's what we did. We took the whole concept of wireline ranging and packed it in to an MWD BHA. So David, why don't you describe to us how that works?
Yeah, so what we did for this job is we took a magnetic MWD sensor, gamma, a GWD, a ranging sensor, and a downhole processing module, and we're able to take what was previously done with sending all the raw data to surface and putting all those computations downhole. So now we can calculate all the ranging measurements downhole and send the answer to surface over mud pulse telemetry. And this whole system was packed into a 20-foot MWD that can be deployed on any rig anywhere in the world.
Thanks, David. So folks, isn't that amazing? On this particular project that you can see being animated behind us now, that was estimated initially with this wireline technology at 35 days. Can you imagine? 35 days on location. But with the service delivery of the ranging while drilling system, we managed to successfully complete that project in just 8 days, dramatically collapsing the AFE for that well and delivering the results and the economic benefits for our customer. So folks, remember that for all your magnetic ranging needs, one call does it all. Call Gunnar Energy Services or my buddies at Erdos Miller. And thank you all for watching.